In this video, I'll show you how I use Claude AI to write a newsletter quickly and easily. To begin, I start on the Claude AI homepage and open a new chat. At the bottom of the screen, I click into the message box where I can type my prompt. Here, I describe the type of newsletter I want Claude to create. For example, I might type something like, "Write a weekly newsletter about AI tools for beginners with a friendly and informative tone." Once the prompt is ready, I press enter to send it. Claude AI will immediately generate a draft of the newsletter. This usually includes a headline, an introduction, several content sections, and a closing message. I read through the draft to see if it matches the style and topic I want. If I need changes, I can send another prompt asking Claude to adjust the tone, make the content shorter, add bullet points, or include additional sections. If I want the newsletter to focus on a specific topic, I can also ask Claude to rewrite the content with more detail or include recent trends or tips related to that subject. Claude will update the content and provide a revised version directly in the chat. Once I'm satisfied with the final version, I highlight the generated text and copy it. Then I can paste it into my email marketing platform, newsletter software, or document editor where I plan to send it to my audience. And that's how I use Claude AI to write a newsletter quickly and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.